Watch it go right back in there. Okay, well. Very cool. Damn it. Might bite you, yeah. There's a snake in the toilet.
We're trying to get it.
Uncle Ben's trying to catch it. Are you scared of snakes like Mom, Ashley?
No.
Okay, there he comes, Ben.
Whoa.
Hold on, Ben's gonna catch you. Now get ready to run. Alright, we got it. Hold on, back up. Alright, hold on. This redefines snake on a plane. This is snake in a toilet. Yeah. There he comes. You ready, girls? Look at that. I got a little snake in my toilet. I'm getting it on video. Live and in color. You want me to come a little closer and get the whole stretching?
Oh my God!
Here, why don't we let John do it? Oh, Jesus! Alright, let's take this way. Yeah, no, that's not a king cobra. They don't live here, but it's a good gift. Let's just go ahead and say your mom would not be pleasant right now. William Tedrick, bounty hunter. And there we go. Had enough video for you? There he is right there, ladies and gentlemen. William Tedrick, snake catcher.
Right in there and go to sleep with it.
That's a big one. That's a full-grown snake. Isn't that pretty though? They are beautiful. There you go. That's exactly what I thought you might do.